Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to do a very, very nice bird. I've seen the single balloon birds, which everybody kind of knows how to do those. This is my rendition of a bird. So we're going to need 3 balloons, your primary bird color, which I'm going with the blue, your belly color, eyes and cheeks, which is going to be white, and then your beak and your little feet are going to be orange. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our white. Just going to get that popped up. You're not going to need too much. So there's going to be quite a bit of tail on the end. I would say maybe about 5-inch tail. Just going to poke that out. And we're going to go ahead and start making the face. So we're just going to make a nice little loop here. You should be able to hold it in your fingers like so. We're going to make a second one. And these are going to act as our cheeks. So now we're just going to add our main color. This is where things are going to get a little bit complicated. But when it's done, it's going to look really nice. So here again, we're going to have a bit of a tail. Say maybe 4-inch tail. We're going to attach this right to our cheeks. So now there's 2 balloons going on in between the cheeks. So now we're going to put our white and our blue up together. Make about 1.5-inch bubble on both. And then bring it back down. You want to start with the eyes first, because you can just fill in the rest with the head. So we just brought that bubble back down to where the cheeks are and locked it in. And with the blue, we're going to follow that up. Make sure it overlaps our white. So now we have our eyes, the back of our head. So eyes are here, the back of the head's here, and our 2 cheeks. So now we're just going to bring the belly down. Right there. And we're just going to leave this down here because we're going to fill in the rest with the blue for right now. So we're just going to bring the blue back up to the cheeks. Again, apologize about the noise. It's balloons, it's going to be noisy. And bring it back down. Now that we have that locked in, we're going to bring the belly right back up so there's going to be 2 white segments for the belly. Because it looks cuter that way. Alright. Now we have our belly here. We have our main body, the back of the head and the eyes. We're going to leave this little dangly white balloon here just there for now because it's going to wrap around the beak and hold it in. And we also have the end of the tail here, which we're going to leave like this so we can attach the feet in there. So now finally we take our orange. We don't need too much of this. So I would say maybe 3 inches of orange. Then tie that off. Now here we're going to start with the beak. So a little bit of a 1-inch bubble at the top. And then curve it around. So it looks like that. Lock it in. And then now we're going to go and attach it in between our cheeks. Make sure that it's in between the eyes too, because you don't want to have a crooked beak. Alright, now that it's in there, we're going to take our white and we're just going to go right around the beak. And then back down to the bottom of our body. Flip it around and tuck it away. Therefore, the beak is in there. So now we have the orange in the back of the head, which is fine. We're just going to squeeze the air down toward the bottom. Not all the way, but just enough that we can stretch it down the back and it won't be noticeable. So I just stretched it and I tucked it in as I was pulling it down. so therefore you can't see it. Now here, we're just going to make 2 little feet. So we're going to separate them evenly. Bring it into the body. So it makes a little ear twist. Do the same thing with the other one. Grab the end of the tail and bring it in. So therefore, it has 2 feet. Now for the rest of the blue at the bottom, we're just going to loop it and bring it back into the feet. So it locks everything together. And with these 2 little strands at the back, you could cut them off. I don't recommend doing that because it just leaks the air out. So I'm just going to pull it up and then tuck it away. Pull it up and tuck it in the back of the head. Same thing with the orange. Pull it up. But this time I'm going to tuck it into the body. Like so. So now we have a little bluebird. It's got the little feet, got a little tail on the back, little beak, and here you could draw little chibi eyes on it, which I always like to do because it has such big eyes. Sharpies are going to be your best friend. Don't go with the fine point, go with the fat ones. And there he is, our little bluebird. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this. I know I enjoy making them. And I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. So again, have a wonderful night. And, you know, I hope you enjoy these videos. There's going to be a lot more because my repertoire goes out the window. Okay, have a wonderful wonderful time. Not gonna edit that out one. That was good. Okay, bye.